Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I just kind of wanted to give you an update on my favorite coffee. Still my favorite coffee. I think it's been about a year that I finally decided to give Shepherd's Crook coffee a try, and now it's the only coffee I want to drink. Now they have several different types, several different varieties, and they're all good. Every single one is better than any other coffee I personally have had beforehand, but I do still have my favorite ones. So there's the Shepherd, which is back here, and the Mexico and the Ethiopian. And I like having different ones because I like to switch it up each day and make a different one each day because it makes me appreciate the flavor of each one better. And the reason this one's back here is it's, even though it's my ultimate favorite, the Colombia, it's currently not available because they're having a hard time getting that one, and the Honduras, which is also an excellent one. But I'm glad I bought a couple of bags of these. So what you're seeing here are the big black bags. So this is a better overall price, but if you're just trying it for the first time, I suggest getting the smallest bags, the little white bags. They have two sizes. I think it's 8 ounces and 12 ounces. Then you can try several different ones and see what you like better. But each one, if you go to their website, which I'll have linked in the description box, I always have linked in the description box down below, and you can check it out and read about them, and they describe somewhat what the flavor is like, and that might help you decide. And if it's a light roast, medium dark, it tells you all that. And so anyway, my favorite coffee ever. And now here's the great thing about Shepherd's Crook is that I'm not an affiliate with them, but if you're a new customer, if you use my coupon code, I think it's RAIN25 or Rain Country, it's in the description box. You'll see it down there next to their website. If it's your first time order and you use that code, you can get 25% off your first order. So that will at least give you a chance to try out several different ones, save a little bit of money while you're doing that. And I don't make any commission off of it, but Shepherd's Crook, they're great people, and they've been very kind to me, sometimes sending me a free bag of coffee or other gifts. And anyway, there are some other things I wanted to really make sure was clear, because I don't think I've said this before, but their coffee is all low acid and it is organic, non-GMO. That's all the coffee they use. They don't use anything that's had pesticides or anything else like that. So another good reason to love their coffee. Also because they're a small family-owned business right here in the US. They are faith-based, and I am very, very happy to support them. And the other bonus is they recently teamed up with Acorn Pottery and Farm. I'll also put their link. Again, I'm not an affiliate with them. I don't even know if they have affiliates. I'd like to find out. But they teamed up with them and got, you had to pre-order these, so they're not available on the store. But they got some mugs made up with their logo on it. And so these are handmade mugs. I'm absolutely in love with this mug. You can tell by the shape. See how it's not perfectly round, that this is definitely handcrafted. I love that about that. I love that they're very solid, and they have several different shapes and colors and sizes. And you can buy some that are just plain, or you can buy them with some kind of, like, they'll have some special prints, like, for mom or different things like that. And they have a couple that I would really, really like to get. But right now I got to watch my spending. But I have my heart set on their watermelon one. And then there's one, I can't remember the name of it, but it's got different shades of green on it. Well, there's the lime one, has different shades of green, but there's the other one that's kind of got green and aqua. Maybe it's just called green and aqua. I don't know. That one, so beautiful. So I'm hoping down the road to get a couple more of their mugs. I just really love the fact that two US-based, family-owned, faith-based, farm-owning companies have teamed up together. So my favorite coffee and now my new favorite mugs. So I just wanted to throw that out there if you're looking at supporting, you know, especially if you're in the US and you're looking at supporting a small family-owned business, especially those that know what homesteading and farming is like, then yeah, please check them out. I highly, highly recommend both companies. Oh, and I was going to say the other thing about Shepherd's Crook is they send you every time these beautiful little cards that they make with scriptures on them. And sometimes you might even get a nice little note on the back. And they do have some other things for sale too, like the shirts. You've seen me wear their t-shirt a couple of times. They have like thermal mugs and a few other gift items you might be interested in looking at. I think they have hats too. I don't remember for sure. I don't wear hats much. Very, very rare. So anyway, please check both these companies out. And thank you for watching this video and any thoughts, ideas you'd like to share, especially if you're already a fan of Shepherd's Crook. Please share down below what your favorite flavors are so people can get a few ideas from you if they haven't tried it yet. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.